Just finished your stay? Here's exactly how to leave a review using the Airbnb app and why it matters. Open the Airbnb app and log into the account you used for your reservation. Reviews are only allowed after your checkout date. Tap on the Trips tab at the bottom. Then select Past to see completed stays. Tap the one you want to review. Scroll down and you'll see a button that says Leave a Review. Tap it to begin. If you don't see it, wait a few hours. It can take some time to show up. You'll rate different things from 1 to 5 stars, like cleanliness, communication, location, and accuracy. Then, you'll write a short public comment. You can also leave private feedback that only the host will see. This is great for small suggestions or things they can improve. Once you're done, hit submit. Airbnb will post your review after both guest and host have written theirs, or after 14 days, whichever comes first. Remember, both you and the host can only see each other's reviews after both are submitted. So, be honest but respectful. That's how to leave a review in the Airbnb app. Like and follow for more travel tips that actually help you and the next guest.